In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or create scrolling text on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut, and I've got to add a new project once CapCut opens. And now I want to add some video or image, so I'm going to click on import. I'm going to add in this river, drag that to my timeline. Then I'm going to add some text. Click on text at the top left, click on default text, add text, and now in the text field I'm going to give it some content. So I'm just going to type in scrolling text. I'm going to change the font because at the moment the current one's boring. Change the color if I like as well. Might keep it white actually. And now, depending how long you want your scrolling text to be, so if I want this to scroll the whole duration of the clip, I'm going to drag it so it meets the end of the film clip here. So if I press play, you can see it's currently stationary. So in order to make this scrolling, we can do left to right or right to left, or whichever way you want to do it. So I'm going to pause the video. Now I'm going to drag the slider to the start of the clip. And now I'm going to move this text here all the way to the left, like so. So I can just see a bit of the text, like that. And now I'm going to add a keyframe here. So I'm going to scroll down, text basic. I'm going to add a keyframe here from position and size. So I'm going to add a keyframe here. And now with this slider, I'm going to move the slider all the way to the end and move this text all the way to the right so that scrolling disappears like so. Add a keyframe here. And now if I go ahead and press play on this video, you will see scrolling text come left to right. Now, if we want to make this right to left, it's the same method. So what I'll do, I'll pause this video. I'll come back to the start. I'm going to delete this keyframe. And I'm going to delete this keyframe here too. Come back to the start. Alright, if you're like me and you can't see your text and you can't position it, what we can do is go to start the clip, and under position size, just scale the image, or not the image of the video, the text, and just make it larger. There it is there. I'm going to reposition it. Alright, so if I want to make this right to left, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to drag this all the way to the right, like so. Add a keyframe. And now move this slider all the way to the right and drag this text all the way to the left so it disappears. Add a keyframe. Go to the start of the video, press play. And there we go, we've got scrolling text going right to left.